Good morning, my budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to implement things to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. Here's where I share my successes and my failures in hopes that none of you have to make the same mistakes that I did. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back and sticking with me on this journey I'm on. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of this group. Today, we are going over our March 15th cash envelope stuffing. We should have $117 in this stack of bills here. So let's count it. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 91, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 117. I love it when it comes out right. Let's do it this way. It's just easier to go from the front than to guesstimate, right? Anyway, I hope everyone is doing okay today, and that everybody's budgeting journeys are going well. This month is a tight month for us, but hopefully it's a good month for you. Okay, so let's get to this thing. We start out with what's in my wallet. I haven't really spent much out of my wallet. We don't have to go into a whole lot. Eat Out is gonna get $40 put in it. So I'm gonna grab 2 20s. I would like for you guys to say some prayers for my future mother-in-law. As of right now, while I'm recording this, she has been put in the hospital and they don't really know what's wrong with her. She just started vomiting up brown stuff and we're still waiting to find out. They've run a whole lot of tests, but they don't have any answers as of yet. So if you could say some prayers for her, we greatly appreciate it. God knows she needs them. So we got $72, 20, 40, 60, 71, 2. I would be at the hospital right now, but they kicked me out. COVID restrictions on hospital visits being what they are. And I understand that they're keeping people safe. I just hate that I can't be there. They only allow 2 people and my fiance has a sibling, so it's more important that they're there, but I'm available for any errands that they need ran, food that they need, that kind of thing, and I'm taking care of getting my stepson to school, home from school, all that jazz going on. So, you know, hoping he's okay up there. Y'all, I got this one out and we don't even need it, so let me move that one out of the way. We're gonna find lawn next. I've written those down out of order, but they're alphabetical in here, so I know the L comes before M. Lawn care is going to get $19, so we needed 10, a 5, and 4 ones. Yep. We still have not got the mower over here, but my son is going to be so kind as to bring that to us. So hopefully this year we don't have to pay somebody $30 a pop or more, given inflation, to mow the yard. So I'm super excited. I was trying, y'all, I should have just wiped all that off, but I didn't. Okay, I forgot what we're adding. $19. I think that's gonna be $343, but my brain is a little fried. I did not sleep much last night. $343. I can't imagine why I would not have slept much. Okay. I don't ever sleep much, y'all. Don't let me fool you. It's kind of my thing. Okay, so we should have 343 in here. I've got 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, and 3. So we've got 343. Lord, those 50s throw me for a loop. Do they trip up anyone else or is it just me? Okay, so 343. Our goal was to have 520. So 343 divided by $11. Oops. $11.55 means I should have 29 of them, but they're, Lord, they're rows of 9. So that's 27, 28. I can color in one more. These are correct on my website. I did fix it, but the one that I printed for myself, I need to trade this out, was lacking one of the columns of mowers. Y'all, we're always meaner to ourselves than we are to anybody else. I made myself stick with the messed up one because I'm cheap. But anyway, let me color this in for you. Frugal. I shouldn't have said cheap. I should have said frugal. I'm frugal, y'all. That sounds better. Right? Okay. So we're almost to our goal on that one. We're getting better. Or getting closer to it. And once we have that all funded, we'll have all the gas money we need and money for any more repairs to the mower. We'll be set. The emergency fund is going to get $24. So let's pull this thing out. Looks like Christmas up in here. I did red last time. Y'all, I ain't even trying to do that math in my head. Plus 24. I can do that math in my head, but I don't trust the math in my head that much at the moment. Do you all ever feel that way? Because I'm definitely feeling that way today. And probably every day, but you know, it is what it is. Need all these ones up here. Okay, so we have $1,000 in the bank. And then, and if you happen to like that, that placeholder is available in my Etsy shop. There should be a link to it in the description box below. But that's just to tell me I've put it in the bank. And then we should have 100, another 50. Oh my God. Okay, 150, 70, 90, 200. Check that out. I couldn't have done that better. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So $1,213 in the emergency fund. We are right on our way. My goal is to have $2,000 in it. It is not goal priority number one past the $1,000 we've got in there, which is why it's getting smaller dollar amounts this time. But we're gonna keep throwing some money at this until it hits $2,000. Okay, so 1213 divided by 40 means we should have 30. I can color in another one of these. Let's make that happen. Hold on a second, y'all. I am questioning my brain here. I don't think I fixed this last time correctly. Okay, so our overall goal is the 2,000 divided by 50 is 40. And if we take 1213 and divide it by 40, we should have 30, which means I should color in this whole third row. I was like, why aren't we showing that we're more than halfway through? Y'all, talk about a brain fart. Apparently I had a brain fart last time when I added the $500 that was in the bank on there. Let me fix this. There, that's better. That's much better. Okay, so we'll just, oh wait, I want those in the front because I want to see the monies. The $100 bill, y'all. Look at that. Yes. See, I love that. Okay, and then we've got one more. Y'all, I pulled out all my binders and I didn't even need 2 of them. I just need this one now. Holidays, because Christmas is getting the rest of this money. So, and of course Christmas, these are in the order that they come during the year. So Christmas is in the very, very back. This is not gonna lay down for me. But that's okay. It's okay. We just work with it as it is, right? So let me add this 34. Oh, that's gonna give us an even $300 toward Christmas. Or it should. It better. Okay, so let's count this. I've got 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $300 toward Christmas already. And that means that we can color in the rest of the ornaments and make this whole top row done. Okay, so look, we're a fifth of the way to our goal. So, I'll put all of this up. And that's going to be all the cash that we have for our stuffing today, you guys. Okay, so my next video is going to be an update on my public servant loan forgiveness status. I did get an email from them, so I want to give you guys the news on that. So I'm going to make a separate video talking specifically about my student loans and how it'll be affected, if it's affected. And so be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen, I think on this side. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this journey, for supporting me, for liking and subscribing and commenting and visiting my Etsy shop and all of the things that you guys do just to let me know that I'm not alone in this. And I hope that you guys know that you're not alone either. So I will see you next time. Have a great couple of days, everybody. Bye!